Hi John, this is a brief tutorial on how to edit your new website which is running on WordPress. So the default access URL for WordPress sites is wp-admin. So this will take you to the login page. I will of course send you the password. So this takes you to the dashboard. The website consists of only one page, which is this one. In order to edit that, just click on Edit. So this is the back end of your site. I'm going to open a second tab so you see what this means. So let's look at the first part. So every part is a container. So it's kind of like an IKEA system. And in each container you have columns, which can either stretch the entire way over the screen, or you can split them up into thirds or halves. So there are a lot of variations. And in those columns you have various elements, which can be buttons or text, for example, or images. So if you would like to edit the text, it's always the same principle. You would just hover, click on the little pen. Right here you don't see it because the font is white, but you can see it right here. So you can change the font color here in the text, or you just toggle to the tab with the text, which is the HTML version. You would just edit within the brackets. Be sure to save and click Update when you're done. The Shop Now button is a global element, which means if you edit the design of the button, for example, if you change the color to a different color, then it'll affect all of the buttons on the page. That makes it very efficient. So those 5 different containers are stacked here, and you can just click on the elements and then just edit, save. Yep, so that's pretty much it. There's also a way to work on the page using the live editor. It's the same idea, it's just a different tool. So it's a matter of preference. This is great if you're looking to change the margins or the padding within the containers, which is the spacing here. So yeah, this is just to have to give you more of an idea of what's possible. The general settings you will find under Avada. Avada is your theme, options. And in there you have the font type, the general colors, for example. I picked the green of the buttons as the primary color. Or the menu, we don't use that right now. The header, we don't use that right now. So typography, if you're looking to change that, you can do that here. So I use the same font as you had on the other website. So that's basically it for the basics. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I also highly recommend that you get an SSL certificate with GoDaddy. As you can see right now, the lock is crossed. It's not active. So with GoDaddy, unfortunately, you would have to purchase an SSL certificate because in some browsers you will get alerts that the site is not safe, and also for consumer trust, obviously, and you want them to buy from you. I would highly recommend getting a security plugin, which you can do from your GoDaddy dashboard. And when done, please let me know, and then I can make sure that the website is actually using the SSL connection. So I look forward to your feedback and wish you a wonderful weekend. Thank you.